Good morning, class. Today we are study NCERT syllabus English for class 1 lesson 8 Mitu and the Yellow Mango. So basically this is a story about a green parrot who wants to eat yellow mango. Okay, so now listen, read, and enjoy the story. Mitu was a parrot. Parrot means a green small bird. A green parrot with a red beak. Beak means the front portion of the mouth of a bird, as you can see. One day Mitu was flying. Flying means moving in air. He loved to fly. He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. Mitu liked mangoes. I want to eat that yellow mango, he said. He flew down to the tree. Cow, cow, go away. Cow, cow, cow. It is a sound made by a crow. This is my tree, said a voice. Mitu looked up. He saw a big black crow. Cow, cow, go, go. The crow shouted. He had a very loud voice. Mitu was afraid of the crow, and he flew away. Flew means moved away through, and he flew away. Mitu saw a red balloon. It was under a tree. He had an idea. He picked up the red balloon and he was careful not to burst it. He flew to the mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. Mitu went behind the tree. He pecked the balloon with his red beak. Pop! The balloon burst. It made a loud noise. Cow! Said the crow, and he fell off the tree. Cow, cow, a big gun is after me, said the crow. He flew away. He never came back to the tree. Mitu came to the tree. He ate the big yellow mango. Yummy, yummy, what a nice mango, he said. He was very happy. Clever Mitu. Okay, class? So now we can summarize this lesson. So basically, this is a story about a parrot named Mitu. One day while flying, he saw a yellow mango on a tree, and after seeing the mango, he wanted to eat it. Where lit a cow on that tree. He shouted on Mitu, go away. Mitu got frightened and go away. But he came back with an idea. He brought a red balloon in his beak and he burst the balloon behind the crow. It made a loud noise. After hearing the sound, the crow flew away and he said that there is a gun behind him. So, and after saying this, he was flew away. And at last, Mitu ate the yellow mango happily. I hope, kids, that you all will like this story. Bye.